Hi folks, Robert here with more of the training. If you haven't followed this series, please start from the beginning and subscribe and like the channel. We worked on this the other day, yesterday probably, and I just showed some few elements on Topo surface. We created a surface and everything here, so now we're going to go and continue this, add a few more elements by looking at the site. I have a couple of drawings from the site. It was done a few years back. So this is how it actually looks built. But as you can see, we've got a driveway that's depressed and it goes down to the building. Then we got this sidewalk over here. I try to make that. And then if we go again, we can look at the, let's see. Let me go back and see. There it is. So there's something going on in the back as well of this building, but we're going to go on and try and see if we can fix these items, go and add a few more things like the sidewalk. So here, to depress this, we need to go into our site and massing and select the topo surface, and then we want to add points here. We want to modify element, so there, and then we place these points here. And so here at this location, we want to change this. We can go here. Let's see. Let's change this. We can select this. And let's say -3 here. Okay, and then we go to this one. Because I said it's going to be about 3 feet drop, -3, or whatever. And go select that. So there's our driveway. So now we can go back into our site plan and finish that, or check the yellow check mark, and there's our driveway. So now I'm going to go back into the site plan here, and as you remember, it might have been, let me see, let's just grab this guy and edit it. Let's edit this sketch. So I might want to do something like this. And something like this here. I think I remember seeing that. And then I'll go and extend, intersect these two sides here. And we'll finish that. Okay, now we've had a sidewalk going through here. So it's about right there somewhere, so let's go and do that. So we'll select the site, the topo surface, and then we'll subdivide it. This time we'll go with we got planks. Let's go with 6-inch concrete. We'll go to 6-inch path, this 6 inches of concrete. So I'm going to go just draw a shape right through here. And I think I can draw over this, so let's go with, make this, let's bring this out, say 8 feet. And bring it all the way through to there, and then we'll finish it. So there's our concrete path here. Now for the back where we had that parking, we can do it again, or we can just select this subdivision and edit it as well. So we'll just edit that back, where we can do a parking garage there, or parking, then just hit the finish mark. So now let's go into our entourage, see what we're looking like in our 3D view here. Okay, that's kind of what it looks like. Oh, now let's do that, that walk to the door. Okay, there's the door, so let's just fix that. So let's go to our site plan again. So the door was here, so I'm going to just select this. I don't think I'm going to do anything too fancy here. Subdivide. We go at another 6-inch concrete, and let's just go and let's do something like this. Let's take an arc here. Nope. Let's go this way here. No, let's do a spline, if I can do this. This is going to be a little tough to do something like that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just do something simple. Yes, I'm going to quit that. I don't want to do it. So I'm going to try this again here. Just select this and do you subdivide here. Let's just see if we can do this. And I'll draw a line here, do another arc here. Nah, we don't want to do nothing like that. Just keep it simple, baby. We'll draw a line here. And go to there, like so. And then we'll offset this. So if I can modify, then we'll do an offset here. Offset. Let's go 5 feet. That's probably all we need there. Then we'll close this. Not quite what they had, but close. Go to here to here. Then we have to clean these edges up. And we'll finish it. And we might want to bring this up. Let's take this up maybe 4 inches off the grass. This is also going to be up 4 inches, just to be slightly above. Okay, now we can add elements here. So let's go and bring in our, actually, yeah, we want to keep that one at -4. Let's drop this one down here. Let's leave this at 0. Nope. That doesn't make sense. 0 here. Okay, so all these are going to be 0. That's okay. Now, here, let's go and add some elements. So we got to go in our entourage here. Go component. We got our van here we can place out here where we're going to have our extra parking. We place one here. Make sure it's at the level we want. Then I think I got a semi truck in here somewhere. Yep, semi truck there. Back then like so. And then we can add other elements here like trees and what have you. So move that there and there. So hey guys, I'm going to leave it there. See what we're looking at in 3D view. So there's some of our site elements here, and also we had a tree over here. So let's go and grab we can go right into our site component here. Site and massing. Yep, site component. Oh, there it is right there. I didn't have to do that. So let's go with tree. Oh, okay, there are all our trees. I think we had one maybe 40 foot. I think it had a tree right about there. And one there. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. But yeah. there we go. So we've got a few more things going on here, but that's how our building would actually look. And using Topo service with concrete and Entourage. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Be safe. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.